collection. I loved it.
The runway was very, very long. So how
Oh my God, it was like I didn't have to. I don't think I'm going to the gym tonight.
She's done her
I
cardio
had my
today.
bit of cardio with a couple of walks. It was like a never-ending marathon, but very, very interesting. I must say, the whole showroom edit, the whole vibe, the whole feel was very, very interesting. Thank you.
so much.
Tell me.
First of all, ma'am, you're looking gorgeous.
Oh, thank
So how-
you.
so
Thanks
how-
to Mahima.
So how was your experience walking the ramp?
It was a lot of fun, yeah. I love my outfit. Check it out, guys. It's vibrant. It's a lot of color. It's elegant, and there's so much drama happening with the frill. Like I had my fairy tale moment, and the little girl moment twirling around on the in front of the LED, and which of course says a lot about how excited I was to walk. And I was telling Mahima backstage, I said, listen, I'm going to have fun with this. I'm going to like do the twirl and do whatever I feel like doing. So I had a lot of fun, and I think that's what the entire collection is about. It's a lot about florals and colors and elegance and drama and very, very classic. So I love that.
So what are the thoughts that's coming to mind whenever you walk the ramp for the first time? Whenever you heard?
When I walk the ramp, there is no thought that comes to my mind. I just want to have fun. That's it. And I just think about what people would be thinking looking at me. If I'm not going to be having fun, I don't think people sitting on those chairs are going to have fun either. So as long as I have fun, everybody else will enjoy it.
So what's the Suri Chala fashion like?
Keep it simple, keep it minimalistic, and keep it classic and comfort first.
What are the three things always you're going to find in a Suri Chala model?
In my wardrobe, a pair of tees or a ganji, a pair of shorts and flip-flops.
Okay, and any tips you like to give to the youngsters because many are the followers of the
Just
science
be,
trend.
fashion is just about who you are, and don't try to change that, and don't try to follow the rat race as to what people are doing and what's in trend. Yes, of course, there are certain things that come in and go out of trend, but other than that, I think just be true to yourself and let that speak in the clothes that you wear and the way you dress up.
Okay, tomorrow morning only you have Akshay on air.
Today morning, yes.
And Al Bale. So what are times of comment you are getting?
The reviews have been fantastic, and I'm extremely happy, and the entire team at Alt is very happy because we've worked very, very hard on this one, and it's slightly unique from everything else that's coming on digital space right now. So we've got some outstanding reviews, which makes the entire team very happy.
Okay, other than Akshay, any upcoming project? Like
Yes, there's Sacred Games, Netflix, which is going to be aired on Netflix. That's going to be coming out.
Thank you.
Thank you.